Dartfish is the world's leading video analysis software company, and we do both technical analysis, so we work on improving a player's technique, and we also work on game film breakdown, which is charting, okay? As opposed to the old charting where you just had stats, we have the ability to extract tendencies and show the associated video. So it's very powerful. It's almost it's a baseball scouting model that we've applied, and we work in all sports. So it's not just tennis, but the technology lends itself very well to the sport. We just recently had a very successful Olympics, and it was announced earlier today that Dartfish had over 400 medals won by athletes that use Dartfish software in their training. We're named as one of the top 3 tech innovations at the Olympics by ESPN. It's a very powerful software. And we also have a web sharing platform where we allow players and coaches to be able to review this enriched analysis from any web-enabled device. We work with the USTA as one of our major clients, and we're very heavily involved with talent identification for the USTA. So we're a coaching tool as well as a learning tool, and we're also an analysis tool.